In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add wide margins in Excel page. If you're preparing a worksheet for printing, margins matter. Wider margins create breathing room around your content, make space for notes or hole punching, and help ensure nothing important gets clipped by the printer's unprintable edges. In just a few clicks, you can switch your sheet to a wide margin layout that looks cleaner and more professional on paper. First, look to the top of Excel for the ribbon, the row of tabs that controls most formatting and page setup features. Click the Page Layout tab. This is where Excel gathers everything related to how your sheet will look when it's printed, including orientation, size, breaks, and margin presets. If you don't immediately see it, make sure the ribbon isn't collapsed. Expanding it will reveal the full set of commands. Next, in the Page Layout tab, find the Margins button, usually located in the Page Setup group. Click Margins to open a menu of ready-made margin options. You'll see several presets designed for common scenarios, and these presets save you from having to adjust individual measurements manually. Choosing from this list is the fastest, most reliable way to apply consistent spacing on all sides of your printed page. Now, select the wide option from that menu. With this single choice, Excel increases the space around your worksheet content on all sides, giving your printout a generous border. You'll notice that your sheet's page boundaries shift, and the printable area gets a bit smaller. That's expected. Wide margins trade a little room on the page for improved readability and a more polished look. A few helpful notes as you apply this setting. Wide margins affect the active worksheet, so if you have multiple sheets in your workbook, repeat the same selection on each one you plan to print. After choosing wide, keep an eye on how your data flows across pages. Because the printable area is reduced, a column or two may move onto another page. That's normal when increasing margins. If that happens, consider slightly adjusting column widths or reviewing your content layout so key information stays together. Also remember that different printers have different minimum margins. Wide margins work well across most devices, helping avoid cutoffs near the edges. And that's it. By going to Page Layout, opening the Margins menu, and choosing Wide, you've set up a cleaner, more print-friendly page. When you're ready to print, your worksheets will look tidy, readable, and professional, with enough room to annotate or bind.